Last month, Jim drove his car 2,718 and 3/10 miles. That brought the car's total mileage to 87,416 miles. What was the car's total mileage before last month? Number 2, Ezekiel has 433 golf balls that he can put in 11 boxes. Each box must contain the same number of golf balls. What is the greatest number of golf balls Ezekiel can put in each box? Number 3, Aspen added 14 to the product of 224 and 16. What is the sum? Number 4, the regular price of a calculator is $12.30. Warren paid 75 cents less than the regular price for the calculator. He also paid $1.48 for a pad of paper. What is the total amount Warren paid for these two items? Number 5, Jamie works a full-time job and a part-time job. The list shows his annual salary at each job. Full-time job, $63,410. Part-time job, $11,080. Which statement is supported by this information? Number 6, the table shows the number of hives a beekeeper maintains and the amount of honey harvested from the hives over 4 years. Based on the table, which statement is true? Number 7, Mia's grandmother lives 208 miles east of Mia's house. Mia's aunt lives 564 miles west of Mia's house. What is the distance from Mia's grandmother's house to Mia's aunt's house? Number 8, the 5th grade is planning a field trip. There are 168 students in the class. They also have 7 teachers and 23 parent volunteers who will go on the field trip. How many buses must the school order for the field trip if each bus holds 60 people? Number 9, the table shows the heights and masses of a male gorilla and a female gorilla at a zoo. Based on the table, which statement is true? Number 10, Acme Lumber Company purchased 13,145 pounds of pine wood and 16,903 pounds of cedar wood to sell their new store. After 6 months, Acme Lumber Company had sold 7,589 pounds of wood. About how many pounds of wood does Acme Lumber Company have left to sell? Number 11, the table shows the population of 3 Texas counties. The population of Gray County is missing. The population of Gray County is 35,553, less than the population of Anderson County. What is the combined population of these 4 counties? Number 12, a rectangular parking lot was being designed outside a football stadium. If each row of the parking lot is designed to hold the same number of cars, which of the following is a possible arrangement for the parking lot to hold 10,000 cars? Number 13, the table shows the number of ticket sales for a movie theater on Saturday before 6 p.m. What was the total number of tickets sold for the movies with start times from 2:30 p.m. through 4:45 p.m.? Number 14, the owner of a restaurant took out a $2,500,000 loan to build a second location in a nearby city. The owner used the loan money and spent $107,500 to hire a general contractor to oversee the project, $675,864 on a plot of land for the restaurant, and $709,482 for equipment and furniture. How much of the loan money does the owner have remaining? Number 15. One of the largest hotels downtown has 23 floors and accommodates 150 people on each floor. If the hotel is completely full 3 nights this week, how many people will the hotel accommodate during those 3 days? 16. Tickets for a festival cost $14 for children and $23 for adults. If 267 adults and 517 children bought tickets for the festival, which amount is closest to the total money made in ticket sales? Number 17. The table lists the sales for the top 4 auto manufacturers from January to May 2013 and from January to May 2014. How many more auto sales did all 4 manufacturers have from January to May 2014 than from January to May 2013? Number 18. Carol has 786 buttons in her button collection and wants to store them in 12 boxes. Will Carol be able to store all of her buttons equally in the 12 boxes? Explain your answer. Number 19. A total of 64 soccer matches were played at the 2010 World Cup. The total number of spectators is listed in the table. For the 2006 World Cup, 3,359,439 spectators attended the soccer matches. How many fewer spectators attended the soccer matches at the 2010 World Cup than the 2006 World Cup? Show all the work of your solution process to justify your solution.